In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So in order for us to get this done, let's just first go ahead and block someone. I'm going to go ahead and proceed by clicking this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and tap this three dots here, and then click manage friendship. Tap the block button and then choose block right here to confirm the action. Now let's go ahead and locate that one. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one right here. Tap the settings, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see blocked users. So there you go. What you're going to do is just click that over there, and you should be able to see here your blocked users. Now go ahead and tap the X button right here, and then you're just going to go ahead and confirm this one. So there you go. As you can see, if you're going to open blocked users once again, you should be able to see that the user that you have just unblocked is no longer here. Now you can go ahead and close this one just like so, and then what you're going to do is basically contact that person once again in order for them to appear here on your messages. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.